Have you ever talked about something that already happened, like yesterday, last night, or last year? That's when we use past tense. In this video, I'll explain all 4 past tenses in a simple and clear way, with examples you can easily understand.
The past perfect tense is used when one past action happened before another past action. Examples of past participles. Examples: the meeting had ended before he arrived. The factory had burnt down when the firemen arrived. The cat had eaten the fish before it was noticed.
Past perfect continuous tense. This tense focuses on how long an action was happening before another past action. Examples: I had been writing for 3 hours before I stopped. They had been playing football before it started to rain.
And that's past tense made simple. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching.
We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that already finished. Some verbs are regular. Some verbs are irregular. Examples: he visited his grandparents last month. They gave Lisa an expensive present yesterday. Past habit. We also use simple past for habits in the past. Examples: Jeffrey rode his bicycle to school every day. Amira and her friends went swimming almost every weekend.
The past continuous tense shows an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Examples: I was surfing the internet at night. The children were playing at the park. Interrupted action. Examples: I was slicing a tomato when I cut my finger. He was reading when he fainted.